Scenario number 1. Rail transport. Rail transport is the most environment-friendly way to travel. The greenhouse effect of gas emissions per kilometer on railway transport is 80% less than cars. But only 6.9% of passenger mobility in the EU is provided by railways. This percentage was stable from 1995 to 2018. EU Action Plan to boost long-distance and cross-border passenger rail services. The plan is part of a package of measures for efficient and green mobility and will help the EU meet its strategic milestones of doubling high-speed rail traffic by 2030 and tripling it by 2050. If European capitals were connected by high-speed rail with an average speed of 200 kilometers per hour, many connections would then be under 4 hours, such as Berlin-Luxembourg or Warsaw-Prague. Increasing the share of rail transport in the EU is an essential objective for decarbonizing the economy and achieving the EU's climate goals. Rail transport is the most sustainable means of transport as it represents only 0.4% of the EU's total greenhouse gas emissions. What do we need? Improving rail ticketing, more investments in high-speed rail, and better capacity allocation. How to make rail transport greener? Rail travel is already a low-carbon mode of transport, but we can always do more. Can fully solar-powered railways be a reality by 2030? Rail is one of the most sustainable modes of transport we have, and yet cross-border trips account for just 7% of the kilometers traveled by train. This action plan will help us make rail a more attractive option for long and cross-border journeys.